Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, refers to a form of artificial intelligence capable of solving tasks and making decisions across a wide range of fields that typically require human intelligence. It represents, in a way, the realization of the singularity, a concept predicting a future in which machines surpass human intelligence and potentially even become self-improving. The period from 1990 to the present has played a significant role in the AGI discussion, and Ben Goertzel is undoubtedly a prominent figure in this domain. Over the past 3 decades, AGI research has seen substantial advancements. During this time, Ben Goertzel has played a central role in the discussion and development of AGI. While not the sole driving force, he is unquestionably one of the most prominent personalities in this field. Ben Goertzel has been actively involved in various projects aimed at realizing the dream of creating an AGI entity. In particular, he founded the company Novamente LLC in 2001, specializing in AGI technologies. This company has been deeply involved in researching and developing artificial intelligence at the highest level, contributing significantly to the AGI discussion. Furthermore, Ben Goertzel has brought an essential philosophical and ethical dimension to the AGI discussion. He has emphasized the necessity of not only pursuing technical advancements in AGI research, but also considering ethical and moral aspects. His work has contributed to deepening the debate on the societal impacts of AGI and highlighting the need for responsible AGI research.